Hello everybody, it is Mr. Modern Financials here. I want to welcome all the new subscribers to the channel. We've been growing a lot on the channel lately. We have a lot of videos doing thousands of views on this channel, so I do appreciate it. If you're new to this channel, if you're just subscribed, welcome. I am a entrepreneur, music producer, software developer, and a YouTuber, and I have been making money online for quite some time. And these are some services that I think will pique your interest in terms of making money online, because there is a lot of services out there that they're kind of sketchy, that you're not sure if you're really going to get paid, but all of these services have been tested, they work. It's just a matter of if you put the effort into it, and you could make money doing these. None of these things are get rich quick schemes. None of them are going to make you rich overnight. These are things that could be decent side hustles if you're struggling to make the rent, if you're struggling with the car payment, what have you, single mother, whatever. These services could help you, okay? And I'm gonna go run through them, give my thoughts on each of them, and give you a little bit of a synopsis on each of them. Now, the first one is Google Opinion Rewards. Now, I like this service because it's by Google. Google, a very trusted company. It's not something that you're gonna be wondering while you're doing the surveys, am I actually gonna get paid for these? No, I've done Google Opinion Rewards before, and look, the pay's not amazing on them. You can make a couple bucks a survey, but it's through Google, so it's all official, it's all established. There's no scamminess here, if that makes sense. The only con I have with this service is it's not scalable, meaning you're only going to get a few surveys a week, in my opinion, from what I've tested. This is not a service that you could scale and really turn into a true side hustle, but it could be a piece of your side hustle. So Google Opinion Rewards, it's on Apple, it's on Google Play Store, so if you got it on the phone, you can do it that way. And Google conducts research on the for their advertisements, and they will pay you a couple bucks a survey to do this research. And high-paying surveys, good surveys, not too long, but there's just not a ton of them. However, I do think this does warrant some interest from you guys if you guys do want to test it out. Now, next up is Foap. Now, Foap is for my photographers out there watching, my people who like to take photos. Foap allows you to take photos and basically sell them to other people through their service. Now, a lot of money has been made through this, but it does take some time if you're not already good at taking photos. Now, a lot of the photos you do with this are just phone photos, right? Just things that people could use in maybe their YouTube videos or their Instagram, and you take photos, and look, you're not gonna make a ton of money until you have a large portfolio out there of photos, but it is something to consider, that if you like taking photos anyways, maybe you're an amateur photographer, maybe you're just started, maybe you're interested but don't know a ton about it, right? This could be a good option for you if you want to potentially make some money. Foap is on, you go to the website, and I believe they have an app. I'm not 100% sure if they have an app. Maybe it's just the website, but they do have a website, and you could check it out and just do some research. Maybe it's something for you, maybe it's not. I know not everyone's into photos. I'm certainly not much of a photographer myself, but it's something you could consider. The next up, this is one of my favorites. This is UserFeel. So what this is web developers, people doing programming, and whether it's in HTML, Python, the Django, what have you, people doing web development in whatever language and whatever, or even just web designing. They need people to test their websites before they go live. And yes, they're gonna test them themselves, but once they're done, they want a fresh set of eyes on it, right? That's a common theme here, whether if you're a music producer, you want other people to hear it before you put it out, fresh set of ears. If you're a photographer, you want a fresh set of eyes. If you're a web developer, you want a fresh set of eyes, and that is what this is. You will basically work for them, and you will do testing on the website. It doesn't require a ton of time to get started. It's something that is pretty straightforward. It might take a little bit, of just like learning what to test for, and they're gonna teach you that. Overall pay on this I've seen is fairly good. The only thing is it is a little bit of a bar of entry compared to the other ones, because it's just a little bit more technical, if that makes sense, versus just giving your opinion on a survey, right? A little bit more technical, but if you're looking for something that you could make some okay money with, this is a decent option. They are trusted by Office Depot, Serta mattresses, Lowe's, Tesco, Target. So they have some big name partners, and they need people to work for them. And it's great. It's a great option. I would highly recommend it if you're looking for something to make a little bit more in something that you're gonna learn something, right? You're not gonna learn anything doing Google Opinions or doing surveys, but you're gonna learn something here. It's a skill. So I like this a lot. Next up is iPoll. iPoll is simple. It's just a polling app. It has okay reviews. It made the list just about. It's on Apple, it's on Android. It has okay reviews once again, and you basically just give your thoughts on things and you turn them into rewards. The pay, not great, but it's something that doesn't take a lot of time. It is something that you could just do on waiting on the train or waiting on the bus or waiting to go into work in the parking lot. I'm just thinking of things off the top of my head where you could use this. I have not personally used this one. This is the one I have not personally used, but it is something a lot of people do use, and it's fairly popular and fairly trusted. Next up is Inbox Dollars, and this is something, as you can see, I have used. Right now I only have about $7 in my account, but I actually did cash out my money. I had like $40, and I cashed it out to Amazon Cash, and I bought myself some things I needed. A nice polo and a couple other things. This is a decent service. This is something that is scalable, and if you do want to sign up with this service, use my link below. This is the only link I have for any of these services, and that is Inbox Dollars. If you use my link, I think you get a $1 bonus or something, maybe $5. I don't remember exactly what the bonus is, but you get some form of a bonus. And you do a lot of and what I like about Inbox Dollars is it's not just surveys, right? If you're not the type of person who wants to take surveys, fine, that's totally cool. You can watch videos, you can play games, you can search stuff online. You don't have to do surveys. I think Inbox Dollars is the most versatile of the bunch, okay? So these are all great options, but if you're looking for versatility, if you get bored easily, if you got ADHD like me, and you kind of can't focus on one thing, this could be a better option for you because there's so many different things you could do. Pay varies, but generally I think you could probably, it's hard to say exactly how much per hour, but maybe make, $11, $12 an hour if you really hustle at it. I don't take my word on that because I haven't measured my progress in terms of hours as much. I kind of just do it when I could do it, right? I don't do it in hour increments. I'll do it for like 20 minutes. All right, I'm done for today. Kind of just, I don't take it seriously is the point, because I have other things I have to worry about: YouTube, other services I'm running, clothing lines, Instagram media accounts, things like that. So I don't have as much time, but when I was struggling, Inbox Dollars did come in good handy. And again, if you want to sign up with it, use my link below. That's it for the video, guys. I know it's my first video that I am showing my face. You get to look at all this. I know it's not much to look at, but it's fine. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you're subscribed, leave a like, share the video. It helps me out a ton. I'll catch you next time. Hopefully upload in 2 days. I'm gonna try and get a video out every couple days on the channel. This channel is gonna be growing a lot quicker than a lot of people think. It's already growing every day. We're growing in numbers, so we are this is gonna be a big channel. So catch you next time. Have a great day, guys. Peace out.